You're welcome to Airdrops Search, where we bring you quality airdrops and crypto updates. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step processes on how to withdraw your Notcoin to any exchange or to your wallet. Remember that earlier they had announced their intention to list Notcoin on the 16th, and they're going to list Notcoin on OKX platform. They're also going to list on Bybit. This is OKX Jumpstart. This is Bybit, Notcoin on Bybit. Then let me check. Let me see. Okay. This will happen on May 16th. And not just OKX and Bybit, they are also listing on Binance. They said introducing Notcoin on Binance launch pool. Now let's go straight. You enter the Notcoin bot. Once you open it, you click on check the results. When you click on check the results, this is what you're going to see. The next thing you do is to click on claim. As you can see, the claim button is highlighted and you're going to see all these slides, not like it used to be, how to trade and earn more Notcoin. You go to next, trade on exchanges, next, withdraw to wallet in Telegram, next, it says get more Notcoin, explore Web3 and earn Not. Next, higher level equals more Notcoin and exclusive access. Okay. Next, Web3 is waiting for you. Next, you're gonna see this. It says connect wallet. Click on connect wallet. Let's check. Let's see. Okay, nothing else. I'm going to connect my Keeper wallet. Allow it to load. You click on connect wallet. Done. It's connected. Then it will bring this out. Then you are going to choose. I prefer using Telegraph. Show. Then we are back to this place. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on this arrow here. Click on the arrow. Then you have three options. Either you deposit on exchanges, or you say wallet in Telegram, deposit in wallet, or you stake your Notcoin. Then I click on exchanges, the first one, and I'm going to use Bybit. I have Binance, I have OKX, and I have Bybit. All of them are verified. Then I'm going to select Bybit because in case I would want to sell part of my coins, since the P2P option is still there. He said, do you have a Bybit account? Yes. Bybit deposit. I'm going to open my Bybit app. Once you open your Bybit app, you come to this very place at the down part of your screen. Click on assets. Once you click on assets. The next you're going to do is to click on deposit. This is deposit here. Deposit, the last option there is deposit crypto. It is crypto that we want to deposit. You click on deposit crypto. And you might see this. Then at the top, you are going to use the search engine there. You are going to search for Notcoin. N-O-T. Yeah, this is it here. Notcoin. Not. Just the last option there. You click on it. Say choose a chain type. Of course, it's Ton. The network is Ton. So click on Ton. You say to ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you use both the not deposit address and not deposit memo. This is very, very important. You make sure that after copying the address, you also copy the memo. I've just copied the address. Make sure you use both the address and the memo. Otherwise, you will not receive your Notcoin. Then go back there. You copy the memo, just like I said earlier. Very, very important. Then come back here and you paste. Then click on keep going. So check your data, both the deposit address and the memo, and make sure you've passed the KYC. Then you click on I confirm. Nice, it's done. I've seen a good number of persons regretting that they did not take the Notcoin serious, or that they did not even take part in the Notcoin. There are other opportunities as well. For example, this tap swap, if there's anyone that you should ignore, it should not be this trade that I'm going to mention. This tap swap is the number one. Then hamster combat is another one. It's also just like Notcoin, the way we did the Notcoin. Then you claim, and I have already made a video about this tap swap. Then the third one is W coin. There are other ones I'm doing, but these three are very key. You should not miss them for any reason. I have dropped all the necessary links on the comment section and also on the description box.